All right, it's Tuesday, July 16th. Just following up on the SPY, you can see here it's continuing a little lower now towards the lows of the day. We'll see if it gets there. That's kind of a potential target here as it failed on its upper move early on that I described. I bought some calls here. I reversed the puts. And we're still sort of just inside of yesterday. We're red a little bit on the day so far. So we'll see, it's kind of going to be interesting how this day ends up. Do we end up on an inside day? That could be the signal in terms of whether we go up or down tomorrow. If we continue lower, get to the lows of the day, we could be breaking through the weekly, open here at the purple line. That can turn this weekly chart red and start a potential failure. The failure will only be confirmed if we come to the midpoint of that bar. So just kind of, seeing if we can get to the lows of the day here as a starting point, and then what happens from there. This index is a little stronger than the QQQs, but nevertheless heading lower. The options the 566 puts at 411 are now up to 430-ish. They traded at 439. So, it's bouncing around in here, but, we're going to see if this failure up top now turns into the high of the day, and we can take out those lows and maybe end up with kind of another red day to the downside. We'll find out. But overall, we had an up move this morning that just didn't look like it wanted to continue higher where it should have. It's kind of trying to reverse to the downside. We're not confirmed anything yet on this inside bar. The question is, on this daily chart, are we broadening higher highs and eventually towards lower lows, or is this attempt to go to lower lows failing and trying to break to the upside, which would have to get above yesterday's high? So we're going to find that out, more so as the day goes on or by the end of the day. But for now, we're to the downside. If you really want to be nimble about it and it just settles in here and goes sideways, then you can just kind of break even on this trade and then just watch it and then maybe get more clearer information by the end of the day. So an attempt early for the upside, broke even on that. Now we're attempting the downside, and you can see here it's a little choppy, but at the moment it seems if we can stay red here, it could be threatening the lows of the day. We'll find out soon.